ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ महागणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ नमः प्रणवार्ताय शुद्धज्ञानैकमूर्तये निर्मलाय प्रशान्ताय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चिन्मयं व्यापि यत्सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। Okay, Sri Suktam, right? Practice Gananam Tva. You want to do that? Go to Sri Suktam.
Shall I try that?
Yeah,
Do it.
we can say it.
Om Gananam Tva Ganapatigun Havamahe Kavin Kavinamupamashravastamam Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashunvannotibissida Sadhanam. Om Mahaganapataye Namaha.
Few corrections. Let's see if others also. Hindi were right.
ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ महागणपतये नमः।
Ashish.
ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ महागणपतये नमः।
Shanti.
ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनाम् उपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ महागणपतये नमः।
Yeah, there are a few places, I think. There you gave a gap someplace. Om Ganana Antva Ganapati Havaamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashrunvannotibissida Sadanam Om Mahaganapataye Namaha. Kaving Kavinam Upamashra. You don't have to split there, right? Kaving Kavinam Upamashra. I think you said that. Right. Sunita ji, try once. Forgot what was mistake.
ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ महागणपतये नमः।
Yeah, the second time almost came okay. Shrunvannotibis Sidasadanam Jyeshtarajam Shanmukha Jyeshtarajam. Let two people are still trying. Let them join. Okay. Try once again in the word.
Same kana now? Okay. Om Gananam Tva Ganapatigum Havamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anasrunvannotibhih Sidasadanam Om Mahaganapataye Namaha.
Shanti, you try it.
ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपति
Gananam Tva Gagovina. Gananam
त्वा ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्
शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्
शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ महागणपतये नमः।
So you have the Telugu text, right? So in the Telugu, you have up to there are in the Chinmaya book, when compared to the Telugu one, in the Telugu one we'll do up to Padma Priye Padmini Padma Haste, right? And then Sannidhatsva. And then the last portion from the Chinmaya book, which is after Sannidhatsva. Actually, many people stop at that Purushanaham. That is where it usually it ends. Vindeyam Purushanaham, right? That means that will 15 mantras. So they will complete 15 mantras. And then Padma Priye also some people skip. But here in the Chinmaya book, we have Padma Priye, Sannidhatsva, that mantra ends there. And then Shriye Jata Shriya. Another 2 mantras there. That is not there in Chinmaya, Telugu book. So that in Telugu, maybe Vijnanam, you can get it. But today we will not come up to that point, maybe. Okay.
Yeah, too ambitious, I would say.
I don't know what the connectivity issues should be. Okay.
The last part is called Phalasruti. It is also
correct.
Phalasruti after Purushanaham. And then
After?
Yasuchi Prayato Bhutva. After Purushanaham, Yasuchi Prayato Bhutva. That is all Phalasruti for Sri Sukha.
Correct. Yeah, right. In you can see that in in Mantra Pushpam, that those additional mantras are there. And those Phalashruti also, they have Swara marks, even though they are additional, even though they are additions to the text, they have Swara marks. Hari Om. So that's why in the Phalashruti, Yashuchi Prayato Bhutva Juhiyad, right? Ajyamanvaham Shriha Panchadasharcham. That's why it did Panchadasharcham. It says 15 mantras. You keep on, you do chanting, you chant. It says so. There, that's why they ended the 15th mantra, Purushanaham.
Okay.
Panchadasharcham Shrikama Sadatam Japet. So you do you homa with Ajyam. Juhuyad Ajyamanvaham. Says with these Panchadasha 15 mantras. That's why many people stop there. But here we'll but in Chinmaya book we have few more additional that is Padma Priye Padmini Padma Haste. I think many people know that. Even Some people chant without the swaras, but here the swaras are there. Padma Priya. And then Shriye Jata Shriya. That also we will do because it's in this. Okay. So we finished Durga. So yeah, Krishnanji. So you have the Sri Suktam text, right? Shiva, you have, right? Telugu, I think you have got it.
Yeah, I have.
So we were
Yeah, thanks for sharing.
discussing that we will do whatever is there in the Chinmaya book
Yep.
of Vedic chants. Even though many people stop at the 15th, after the 15th mantra. Okay. So we did Durga, Medha. So now we need health, wisdom, wealth. Now Lakshmi. Health is Durga. Shakti, right? Durga. You need health.
Yeah.
We need wisdom, of course. Saraswati. Medha, in a way to invoking Saraswati Devi. So wisdom, knowledge. And then, of course, we need wealth. Right? If you have wealth but no health, what will you do? Health, wisdom. Three Shaktis. There are three Shaktis. So all Shaktis we need. So Dhanam is one. Shri also means beauty, wealth. Right. And we all know that it is not just the material wealth, but also the inner wealth of values, right? Daivi Sampat, we call it, right? 16th chapter, you remember? Daiva Asura Sampat, 16th. Daiva Asura Sampat. You remember? Daivi Sampat we need. So that is one important wealth. Of course, this wealth is also required to be a grihastha, to do properly karma yoga anushtanam. Right? Dhanam dharmardham, they say, right? Dhanam dharmardham. For what? Dhanam is for dharmardham, for the purpose of doing dharma, karma yoga. Dharma chitta shuddhyardham. Chitta shuddhi. For purity of the mind. For dharma we do for chitta shuddhi. Chitta shuddhi kimardham? Why do we need chitta shuddhi? Chitta shuddhi jnanardham. 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 Jnanam mokshardham. Then again for moksha, for what? Moksha anandardham. Finally, that's ananda. Ultimate ananda. So we use this dharma as a medium only for that only. Not just to so-called enjoyment, right? But it is for the ultimate purpose. So we are grihasthas. In a way we need, right? Shri in all its aspects. Okay. So Shri Suktam, as again in the Palashruti also it comes, the rishis are Ananda, even in the shloka, even in the mantras, Kardama and Chiklita. Kardama, Chiklita, and in the Palashruti verses also Ananda. That see, three stages are the rishis for this Shri Suktam. And of course the Devi, usually whenever we chant, we usually these three we write, who is the Rishi, who is the Devata, right? And then Chandas also we enumerate always. So Rishis are Ananda, Kardama, Chiklita, Devi, of course, is Sri Devi, Lakshmi Devi. JP Viniyoga, he said, right? And Chandas meter is as usual. It has more than 1 meter, right? Anushtup is always there, of course, like in Anushtup. Most of them are Anushtup, Trishtup, and then Anushtup, Trishtup, Brihati meter is there, and then the last one, Padma Priye, Padmini, Padmaste, Padma, that is Pankti, they call it Pankti, Prasara Pankti. Means it has 40 syllables. Anushtup, 32, right? 4 lines of 8 syllables each, right? So most of the Gita verses are Anushtup. Some are, of course, Trishtup, right? 11 syllables in each pada, in each line. Then so it makes 44 Trishtup. What is it? 15th chapter. What is it? Urdhva Moolam. You all know 15th, right? Urdhva Moolam Adashakam is Anushtup. And then the next one, Adaschodhvam Prasrutastasya Shakaha. The meter changes there. Trishtup it's called. So 11 syllables in that pada. Adaschodhvam Prasrutastasya Shakaha. 11 syllables. Guna Pravruddha. Pravala. Adhascha Mulanyanusantani. Karmanubandhini Manushaloke. So 44 syllables. So that is Trishtup. So Gita is mostly Anushtup, Trishtup. Here we have Brihati, Pankti, Prasara Pankti. Okay, so that we have stated Rishi, Devata, Chandas. Okay, now let's see, let's start. And these lines are smaller and compared to Durga Suktam, Meda Suktam. The mantras are shorter lines. So we'll see. We'll first try the whole line, or otherwise we can split. Let's give a chance to Sunita ji first. I can go clockwise. I can see in the screen. First is Sunita ji. Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim Suvarna Rajatasrajam. Hiranyavarnam Harinim Suvarna Rajatasrajam. Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim Suvarna Rajatasrajam. You want to try that? The whole line, when we'll see whether it needs to be split.
Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim Suvarna Rajatasrajam. Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim Suvarna Rajatasrajam.
Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim. Do that.
Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim. Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim.
Suvarna Rajatasrajam. Suvarna Rajatasrajam.
Suvarna Rajatasrajam. Suvarna Rajatasrajam.
Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim Suvarna Rajatasrajam.
Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim Suvarna Rajatasrajam. ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजाम्
Oh, the order changed. Okay, I see. Ashish.
ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजाम् ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजाम्
Shanti.
ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजाम् ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजाम्.
The syllables are correct, but still you're holding on to the syllables. You're not
Yes.
letting it go.
Oh. Oh. Okay, this time I'll try.
Right.
ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजाम् ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजाम्
Harineem, Harineem, re going.
हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजाम्
Suvarnarajatasrajam.
सुवर्णरजतस्रजाम् सुवर्णरजतस्रजाम्.
Do the
Wait,
whole
can I
thing.
chime in real quick?
Yeah.
Amma, so I think when you start Hiranyavarnam, you're starting on a lower, like you're saying Om and then you go Hiranyavarnam. You should stay at the same, like when you start. Just when you start.
Okay.
Try it. Once more.
ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजाम् ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजाम्.
Sounded okay, but the Hiranyavarnam you're saying in one pitch, or what is it called? One tone, and Harineem in totally different pitch, I think.
Okay.
So it has to be uniform. Hindi word, right?
ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजाम् ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजाम्
Varnarajatasrajam.
सुवर्णरजतस्रजाम्
Rajatasrajam.
रजतस्रजाम् सुवर्णरजतस्रजाम् ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजाम्
Again.
ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजाम्
Krishnan, right?
ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजाम् ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजाम्
Shiva.
ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजाम् ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं
Harineem, Harineem, Neem.
हरिणीम् ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजाम्
Chandram Hiranmayi Lakshmin Jatavedo Maavaha चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः जातवेदो महावः चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः Right, Sunil.
चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं
Chandram Hiranmayim Mayim, right? Mayim Anuswara followed by La.
La.
Chandram Hiranmayil Lakshmin Na Lakshmin Jata Na there. After Lakshmin Ja is there, and then Hiranmayil Lakshmin Jatavedo Avaha
चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं
You don't say Hiranmayim. Hiranmayim, many people say Hiranmayil Lakshmi. Before you go Ma, go to La. Hiranmayil Lakshmi.
हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः
Ashish.
Chandram Hiranmayi Lakshmim Jatavedo Ma'avaha Chandram Hiranmayi Lakshmim Jatavedo Ma'avaha
Lakshmin Ja, because Ja Na, right? After Lakshmi on Meem, Anuswara is there, Meem, followed by Ja. Lakshmin,
okay. Meem. I keep mixing those up. So it's Lakshmin. Okay, let me try again. Chandram Hiranmayin Lakshmin Jatavedo Ma'avaha.
Shanti.
Chandram Hiranmayil Lakshmin Jatavedo Ma'avaha Chandram Hiranmayil Lakshmin Jatavedo Ma'avaha
Chandram Hiranmayil Lakshmi. Try that.
Chandram Hiranmayil Chandram Hiranmayil.
Only he going down. Chandram Hiranmayim.
Chandram, he going down?
Yeah. He is going down, right? In Telugu also?
Yeah, okay. Chandram Hiranmayil Lakshmin Jatavedo Ma'avaha.
Jatavedo Ma'avaha.
Ma down. Jatavedo Ma'avaha. Jatavedo Ma'avaha.
Like that. Try once again.
One more time. Chandram Hiranmayil Lakshmin Jatavedo Ma'avaha
चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः
चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं
हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं
लक्ष्मीं
जातवेदो
जातवेदो महावः
हिंदी में
चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः
ला गोइंग डाउन चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः आवः
चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः
हाँ कृष्णन
चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः
again once more
So when you say Chandrasekhar, you go Lakshmi with same level, but I think what is written here is Lakshmi. So Lakshmi should go to the regular level.
correct la is going down kshmi
Right.
regular yeah did I say that okay then
Yeah, I heard.
चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः
So that Lakshmi is going at same level of La. So
what is it चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः is going same level
yeah. So let me try this. Chandram hiranmayim lakshmi jata vedo ma'avaha.
ah Shiva
चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः
जातवेदो महावः
जातवेदो महावः चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः
हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मी मयीं
हिरण्मयी लक्ष्मी
हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मी चन्द्रां
हिरण्मयी लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः
जातवेदो महावः मा गोइंग डाउन जातवेदो महावः right
चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः
हाँ तां महावः जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीं तां महावः जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीं तां महावः जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीं लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीं try it Sunita
ताम आवह जातवेदो
जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम्
ताम आवह ताम आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम् ताम आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम्
ताम आवह
ताम आवह
ताम आवह जातवेदो
ताम आवह जातवेदो ताम आवह जातवेदो
लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम्
लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम् लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम्
जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम्
जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम् जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम्
ताम आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम्
ताम आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम् ताम आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम्
जातवेदो उत्थावनं जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम्
जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम्
ताम आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम्
ताम आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम्
आशीष right?
ताम आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम् ताम आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम्
Shanti.
तां म आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमणपगामिनीम् तां म आवह तां म आवह
ताम आवह
तां म आवह तां तां म आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमणपगामिनीम्
Indivar.
ताम आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम् ताम आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम्
Krishnan.
ताम आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम् ताम आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम्
Right. Shiva.
ताम आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम्
Jatavedo. Don't put any tune there. Jatavedo Lakshmi That's it.
ताम आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम्
Jatavedo
जातवेदो
Jatavedo
ताम आवह जातवेद लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम्
ताम आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम्. Try it once again.
ताम आवह जातवेद
वेदो
लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम्
यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयङ्गामश्वं पुरुषाणहम्. यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयङ्गामश्वं पुरुषाणहम्. यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयङ्गामश्वं पुरुषाणहम्. Just try it. Yasyam hiranyam. Try. Sunita ji, try.
यस्यां हिरण्यं यस्यां
Take your time.
हिरण्यं
Syam, right? It's a
Yes.
conjunct consonant. Samyukta vyanjanam. Yasyam, yasyam.
यस्यां यस्यां हिरण्यं
Yasyam hiranyam vindeyam.
यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयं यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयं
Yasyam hiranyam vindeyangamashvam. Vindeyan. Vindeyam will be na. Vindeyangamashvam.
यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयन् गामश्वं यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयन् गामश्वं
Purushanaham. Purushanaham.
पुरुषानहं
Yasyam hiranyam vindeyangamashvam purushanaham.
यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयन् गामश्वं पुरुषानहं यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयं यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयन् गामश्वं पुरुषानहम्
Ashish.
Yasyam hiranyam vindeyam gamashvam purushanaham. Yasyam hiranyam vindeyam gamashvam purushanaham.
Yasyam hiranyam vindeyanga.
Well, in the English text, there's no dotted line underneath yam in
Yeah,
Hiren.
even in Devanagari too. That
Yeah.
Hiranyam is Nyam is flat.
Yeah, so you just for nyam you just come back to regular, and then vin is low, and then de is regular, and then yam is
Yeah,
low.
Hiran Ra. There's only on Ra, right?
Ra is higher.
Yeah, that's high.
Anudatta.
Anudatta. Yeah.
No, Ra is Swarita.
Swarita, sorry. Yeah.
Ra is Swarita. But there's nothing under Niyam.
Correct.
So he and Niyam should be on the same.
Yeah.
I think what Ashit said sounded correct. If you repeat it, you'll be able to explain that.
When you said Yasyam Hiranyam, that because Hiranyam instead of Nyam, because V Va is there. Hiranyam like that. Hiranyam Vin
What?
instead of
Yeah, I think you're like flipping. So like hiranyam. So
that
yam.
Ma instead of followed by V is there, right? Whenever there is a Ya or a Va,
Hiranyam.
huh? Hiranyam Vindeyam. Hiranyam. Oh,
Hiranyam.
that va should take over before you pronounce that. Then whenever va is there, whenever these semi-vowels like ya, va.
So I think the question is not that the question is on nya, right?
Yeah.
Is correct. What you are explaining is clear. It should be instead of hiranyam ve, it should say hiranyam ve.
Ha.
It is like, from what I'm reading, it sounded like what Ashish just said. It is hiranyam instead of hiranyam. So the nya shouldn't go down is what I'm seeing here.
Nya should couldn't go down. Correct. Yes. Yam Hiranyam Vinde. We only should go down. We should go down.
Yeah, but like when you chanted it just now, it felt like you flipped that nyong and then vin. Like instead of it being like
just
going
read
down,
it.
it is
Ashish.
Nyam is going down. Nyam shouldn't go down.
I'll just read. Let me read it again.
Let's read it. Yeah.
Yasyam hiranyam vindeyam gamashvam purushanaham. Yasyam hiranyam vindeyam gamashvam purushanaham.
Okay. Vindeyam gamashvam. Vindeyan na should come there also.
Okay. Vindeyam. Yeah, I mean, I'm just trying to stick to the script. That's the way it's written. So.
Yeah. In the script, always the Anuswara will be there. But as per the Anuswara rule, we convert that to na as per the group, to which group it belongs to. Right?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Shanti, you try.
Yasyam hiranyam vindeyan kamasvam purushana.
Continue.
Yasyam hiranyam vindeyan kamasvam purushanaham. Yasyam hiranyam vindeyan kamasvam purushanaham. I'll try one more time. Yasyam hiranyam vindeyan kamasvam purushanaham.
Try again. Sorry.
No,
I
that's
just stepped out.
yes. Yasyam hiranyam vindeyan kamasvam purushanaham. One more time.
Gamashvam.
Gamashvam.
Shva. Gamashvam. You are saying swa, I think.
Yes. Right.
Gamashvam.
Yes. One more time.
Yeah.
Yasyam hiranyam vindeyan gamashvam purushanaham.
Hindi.
Yasyam hiranyam vindeyan kamasvam purushanaham. Yasyam hiranyam vindeyan kamasvam purushanaham.
I am also reading gamashvam. Ashvam means horses. Vindeyam, give.
So it is
Vindeyam, give us gam, cows, ashvam, horses, right? Gamashvam, ashvam.
Okay. So did I say kamasvan?
Ashvam I am hearing. Like many people say ashvam. Ashvam.
Oh, okay, Gamashvam. Oh, okay, understood. Okay. Yasyam Hiranyam Vindeyan Gamashvam Purushanaham.
Yeah.
Yasyam Hiranyam Vindeyan Gamashvam Purushanaham.
Yeah. Krishnan.
Yasyam Hiranyam Vindeyam Gamashvam Purushanaham. Yasyam Hiranyam Vindeyam Gamashvam Purushanaham.
No. Shiva.
Yasyam Hiranyam Vindeyan Gamashvam Purushanaham.
Purushanaham. Purushanaham. Purushanaham.
Purushanaham. Yasyam Hiranyam Vindeyan Gamashvam Purushanaham.
Purusha. Sha. Sha. Purushanaham. Purushanaham.
Purushanaham. Yasyam Hiranyam Vindeyan Gamashvam Purushanaham.
And some of the swaras here in the Chinmaya book also, there are Dirgha Swaritas. There is no Dirgha Swara, even though like Hastinada, that some people do, that is from Rig Veda, but here we are following Yajur Veda. So it will be only Hastinada, only Swarita, no Dirgha Swarita. So there are few places where Dirgha Swaritas are there that you have to correct. Okay. Let's do these two mantras. Two mantras we finished again. Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim Suvarna Rajatasrajam Chandram Hiranmayil Lakshmi Jatavedo Maavaha Tam Maavaha Jatavedo Lakshmi Manapagamini Yasyam Hiranyam Vindeyam Gamashvam Purushanaham. Who wants to try? Krishnan, right?
Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim Suvarnarajatasrajam Chandram Hiranmayim Lakshmi Jatavedo Maavaha.
Chandram Hiranmayil Lakshmi Jatavedo Maavaha.
Chandram Hiranmayim Lakshmi Jata. So Lakshmi, same thing that I'm thinking. Chandram Hiranmayim Lakshmi Jatavedo Maavaha. Tam Ma'a. Can you repeat that?
Tam Maavaha Jatavedo Lakshmi Manapagamini.
Tam Maavaha Jatavedo Lakshmi Manapagamini. Tam Maavaha Jatavedo Lakshmi Manapagamini. Yasyam Hiranyam.
Yasyam Hiranyam Vindeyam Gamashvam Purushanaham.
Yasyam Hiranyam Vindeyam Gamashvam Purushanaham.
Sunita ji, you want to try?
ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजां चन्द्रा
Suvarnarajatasrajam sounded same. Suvarnarajatasrajam.
सुवर्णरजतस्रजां
Ah,
ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजां चन्द्रां
Chandram, Chandram.
चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो मआवह
Jatavedo ma'avaha.
चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो मआवह तां मआवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीं मनपगामिनीम्
Lakshmi Manapagamini.
लक्ष्मीं मनपगामिनीम् यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयन् गामश्वं पुरुषानहम्
Anapagamini means don't depart. Oh, Lakshmi Devi, please stay here only. Anapagamini, please don't go away. Because Harinim is there, right? Harini, very chanchal. Harinim has many meanings, right? It can be like a deer, doe. Or Harini means Hiranyavarnam Harinim, belonging to Hari also, it could be. Or like a doe. Or it could be shining yellow also. So many meanings are there. Okay. Ashish, do it.
Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim Suvarnarajatasrajam Chandram Hiranmayil Lakshmin Jatavedo Ma'avaha Tam Ma'avaha Jatavedo Lakshmi Manapagamini Yasyam Hiranyam Vindeyan Gamashram Purushanaham.
Iniva, try it.
Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim
Hiranyavarnam Harinim.
Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim Suvarnarajatasrajam Chandram Hiranmayi Lakshmin Jatavedo Ma'avaha Tam Ma'avaha Jatavedo Lakshmi Manapagamini Yasyam Hiranyam Vindeyan Gamashvam Purushanaham.
Shanti.
Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim Suvarnarajatasrajam Chandram Hiranmayil Lakshmi Chandram Hiranmayil Lakshmin Jatavedo Ma'avaha Tam Ma'avaha Jatavedo Lakshmi Manapagamini Yasyam Hiranyam Vindeyan Gamashvam Yasyam यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयन् गामश्वं पुरुषानहम्
पुरुषानहं पुरुषानहं पुरुषानहं
पुरुषानहं
श
पुरुषानहं
शिवट्रे
ॐ हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरजतस्रजां चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः तां महावः जातवेदो लक्ष्मीं मनपगामिनीं यस्यां
तां आवह जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीम्
तां महावः जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनपगामिनीं यस्यां हिरण्यविन्देयन्
यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्दे यस्यां हिरण्यं
विन्देयन् गामश्वं पुरुषानहम्
पुरुषानहं
यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्देयन् गामश्वं पुरुषानहम्.
So Jataveda means fire here. So we are asking the fire god because most of the Vedic rituals are invoked to the altar of the fire, right? So, oh fire god, please invite Lakshmi for us. Lakshmi Devi, Hiranyavarna, who is as brilliant as gold. Hiranya means gold. Wearing the garlands of Suvarna Raja, gold and silver garland. Right? So even this Vratam is coming, right? So many people give that gold and silver flowers. Right? Okay. Ashvapurvan Rathamadhyam Hastinada Prabodhinim. Ashvapurvan Rathamadhyam Hastinada Prabodhinim. Ashvapurvam Rathamadhyam Hastinada Prabodhinim. Just na, okay? No dirgha swarita there. Ashvapurvam Rathamadhyam Hastinada Prabodhinim. Right, Sunita.
Ashvapurvan Rathamadhyam.
Purvam only. Ra, because Ra is there.
Ashvapurvam Rathamadhyam Hastinada Prabodhinim.
Hastinada Prabodhinim. Hastinada because pra is there. Take your time there before you go. Hastinada Prabodhinim.
Hastinada Prabodhinim. Hastinada Prabodhinim.
Yeah.
Ashvapurvam Rathamadhyam Hastinada Prabodhinim.
Ratham.
Yeah.
Ratha, chariot. She's in between the chariots. Rathamadhyam, in the center of the chariots, right? Okay. Ashish.
Is it Hastinada or Hastina? Like, do we have to like Hastinada?
No, that is here in the Yajurveda only Swarita, no Dirgha Swarita.
Okay.
Hastinada Prabodhini.
Okay.
So there are different versions of Sri Suktam. Right. So this is, they are following the Yajurvediya
Okay.
version.
Okay. Ashvapurvam Rathamadhyam Hastinada Prabodhinim. Ashvapurvam Rathamadhyam Hastinada Prabodhinim.
Ashvapurvam Rathamadhyam Hastinadha Prabodhini.
But there's only a line under.
Line
Sorry.
under Ha. There is a horizontal line which is Anudatta. Under Ha, Hastinada, Hastinada.
No. I'm talking about Rathamadhyam.
Under Ma,
So just,
Rathamad.
yeah, it's just under Ma, but it's not under Dhyam. So don't you have to come back to?
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay. Ashvapurvam Rathamadhyam Hastinada Prabodhinim. Is that right?
Try once again.
Okay. Ashvapurvam Rathamadhyam Hastinada Prabodhinim.
Shiva try. Oh, sorry. Shantiji try.
Ashvapurvam Rathamadhyam Hastinada Prabodhinim. Ashvapurvam Rathamadhyam Hastinada Prabodhinim.
Shiva.
Ashvapurvam Radhamadhyam Hastinada Prabodhinim. Ashvapurvam Radhamadhyam Hastinada Prabodhinim.
Hastinada Prabodhinim.
Hastinada Prabodhinim. Ashvapurvam Radhamadhyam Hastinada Prabodhinim.
Rathamadhyam Madhyam. Gadha, yeah, is there. So take your time there. Ashvapurvam Rathamadhyam Hastinada Prabodhini. Hindi word.
Ashvapurvam Rathamadhyam Hastinada Prabodhinim. Ashvapurvam Rathamadhyam Hastinada Prabodhinim.
Krishnan.
Ashvapurvam Rathamadhyam Hastinada Prabodhinim. Ashvapurvam Rathamadhyam Hastinada Prabodhinim.
Shriyan Devi Mupahvaye Shrirma Devi Jushatam. Shriyan Devi Mupahvaye Shrirma Devi Jushatam. Shrirma Devi Jushatam. Devir Jushatam. In some texts, Devi Jushatam is there. It is the Repa also is there. Devir Jushatam. Okay. Shriyan Devi Mupahvaye Shrirma Devir Jushatam. Sunita.
So that has to be corrected, right? So it is, there is no Dirgha Swarita on Rma.
No
So,
Dirgha Swarita.
Srirma Devi Jushatam.
That is correct. That no Dirgha Swarita in our version of chanting.
Right.
Chandrasekhar ji, one more time.
Hmm.
Can you repeat?
You want to split? Let's do it.
Yes.
Shriyan will come instead of ma. Huh?
Yes.
Shriyan Devi Mupahvaye.
Shriyan Devi Mupahvaye. Shriyan Devi Mupahvaye.
Shrirma Devi Jushatam.
Shrirma Devi Jushatam. Shrirma Devi Jushatam.
Shriyan Devi Mupahvaye. Shrirma Devi Jushatam.
Shriyan Devi Mupahvaye. Shriyan Devi Mupahvaye.
Shrirma Devi.
Shrirma Devi Jushatam. Shriyan Devi Mupahvaye. Shrirma Devi Jushatam.
Ashish.
Shriyan Devi Mupahvaye Shrirma Devi Jushatam. Shriyan Devi Mupahvaye Shrirma Devi Jushatam.
Shanti.
Shriyan Devir Mupah.
No Devi, only Devi. Here Repa is not there. Repa is only in Shrirma and Devi Jushatam. Here no Repa. Shriyan Devi.
Shriyan Devi Mupahvaye Shrirma Devir Jushatam. Shriyan Devi Mupahvaye Shrirma Devir Jushatam.
Close. Indeed.
So it is Sriyan Devi, right? Not Sriyan Devi.
Shriyan Na will come because the Na. After Anuswara, De is there, right?
Okay. Sriyan Devi Mupahvaye Srirma Devi Jushatam. Sriyan Devi Mupahvaye Srirma Devi Jushatam.
Srirma De Shanmukha Jushatam Jusha. Shanmukha Sha, right?
Srirma Devi Jushatam. Yeah, Sha. Devi Jushatam.
Krishnan, right?
Shriyan Devi Mupahvaye Shrirma Devi Jushatam.
There is a Swarita on Ma. Shrirma.
Okay. Shriyan Devi Mupahvaye Shrirma Devi Jushatam. Shriyan Devi Mupahvaye Shrirma Devi Jushatam.
Shiva.
Shriyan Devi Mupahvaye Shrirma Devi Jushatam. Shriyan Devi Mupahvaye Shrirma Devi Jushatam.
Jushatam means make me happy. Shriyan Devi, Sri Devi. Upahvaye, invoke, invite. Okay. Kam sosmitam hiranya prakaramardranjvalantin truptan tarpayanti. कांसोऽस्मितां हिरण्यप्राकारामाद्राञ्ज्वलन्तीं तृप्तान् तर्पयन्ती तृप्तान् तर्पयन्ती न तृप्तान् तर्पयन्ती कांसोऽस्मिताम्. We will split that. It is too long. Kamsosmitam.
Kamsosmitam. Kamsosmitam.
Hiranyaprakaramardram.
Hiranyaprakaramardam.
Mardram. When you
Mardam.
Mardram. Hiranyaprakara.
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 Hiranyaprakaramadram.
Hiranyaprakaramadram. Mardram.
When we are going to Jwalantim, that Mardram will become Na. Right? Mardran Jwalantim, like that. Huh? When you are combining with the next word, Mardram will come Mardran Jwalantim. Like that. Hiranyaprakara Mardran Jwalantim. Hiranyaprakaramadranjvalanti.
Hiranyaprakaramadranjvalanti. Hiranyaprakaramadranjvalanti.
Jvalantin truptan darpayanti.
Jvalantin truptan tarpayanti. Jvalantin truptan tarpayanti.
Kamsosmitam hiranyaprakaramadranjvalantin truptan tarpayanti.
Kamsosmitam hiranyaprakaramadran hiranyaprakaramadran jvalantin truptan tatpayanti.
Truptan tarpayanti.
Truptan tarpayanti.
That now will come. Truptan tarpayanti. Truptan tarpayanti.
Truptan tarpayanti.
Again, kamsos.
Kamsosmitam hiranyaprakaramadran jvalanti truptan tatpayanti. Truptan tarpayanti.
We'll come back. We'll come back. Ashish, try.
Kamsosmitam hiranyaprakaramadram jvalantim triptam tarpayantim.
Take care of the anuswaras. Anuswara. Hiranyaprakaramadran jvalantim truptam tarpayanti. All nas will come after the anuswaras. Because, okay?
All, you said, so all na?
After mardram, na. After truptam, na. Like that.
Oh.
After jvalantim, na. Jvalantim truptam tarpayanti.
Okay.
Kamsosmitam. Only after sosmitam the ha is there, right? You don't have to put the na there
Okay. Okay. So
because ha is a semi-vowel.
If it was sa, then how would it say? How? I mean, in front of sa also it'll be
No,
it'll be an.
no, only.
Okay.
Because sa is not part of the Vargiya Vyanjanas, right? Only in those group ka ka ga ga na cha cha, yeah, na, ta,
Everything
ta,
else
ta,
is
ta.
only.
Except for again these semi-vowels like ya, ba, there slight change will come.
Okay.
That we have seen that, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
Instead of
Thank you.
like hamsa, that's why you say hamsa only, no hansa. Hamsa hamsaya vidmahe. Right? Who's next?
can I try again?
Yeah, try it.
Okay. Kamsosmitam hiranyaprakaramadran jwalantin triptan tarpayantim. Kamsosmitam hiranyaprakaramadran jwalantin triptan tarpayantim.
After Jvalantim also na.
No, yeah.
I think you got
I
it.
said
Did you?
that. Yeah, I said no.
No, yeah. Good.
Yep. Thank you.
Shanti.
Kamsosmitam
Kam going down, so Smi going down. So
Kamsosmitam hiranyapprakaram ardran jwalantin truptan tarpayantim.
don't have to split there. Hiranya Prakaram Ardram I heard. Did you split it there? Are you trying to split it?
No.
If you split it, you are correct. Then you did the right
No.
sandhi, but don't do the sandhi which
Right.
don't do the sandhi which
Mardran.
ha.
Kamsosmitam hiranyapprakaram mardran
I
jwalan.
am hearing Prakaram Mardra. Hiranya Prakaram
Mardram.
Yeah.
Hiranyapprakaramardram jwalantin truptan tarpayantim. Tarpayantim.
Again, try it again.
Kamsosmitam hiranyapprakaramardran jwalantin truptan tarpayantim. Tarpayantim.
Jwalantin truptan tarpayantim. Tarpayantim.
Tarpayantim.
Truptan tarpayantim.
Truptan tarpayantim.
Jwalantim truptan tarpayantim.
Jwalantin truptan tarpayantim.
Try it again.
Kamsosmitam hiranyapprakaramardran jwalantin
Triptan
ज्वलन्तीं तृप्तां तर्पयन्तीं
Ta going down. Tarpayantim.
तर्पयन्तीं
But practice after in the word, right?
Kamso smitam hiranya
Kamso
prakara
smitam is sounded same. Try it again.
Kamso smitam hiranya prakara mardran jwalantim triptan tarpayantim. Kamso smitam hiranya prakara mardran jwalantim triptan tarpayantim.
Prakara. You gave a pause after that, I think.
Prakara mardran. There's a pause. Okay.
No pause. No pause. No pause.
Okay. Kamso smitam hiranya prakara mardran jwalantim triptan tarpayantim.
Krishnan.
Kamso smitam hiranya prakara mardran jwalantim triptan tarpayantim. Kamso
Calm only. Calm. So smitam.
Kamso smitam hiranya prakara mardran jwalantim triptan tarpayantim.
Sure.
Kamsosmitam hiranyaprakara madram jwalantim truptan tarpayantim. Kamsosmitam hiranyaprakara madram jwalantim truptan tarpayantim.
Tarpayantim. Okay. Even though that also at the ending, you have to give it a nice ending there. Little bit of a elongation, even though it is a rasva. That's why in most of them, to give it a nice finish, right? Avaha. There's even the avaha is there. Avaha. But not ha. At the ending, if it is a rasva, to give it a nice that vibrations, you must have heard. They will little bit elongation will be there, even though it is a rasva at the ending. Tam avahajata vedo lakshmi manapagamini. So vibrations. That is what the vibrations, right? When they say Vedic chanting gives nice vibration, that is how it comes. Okay. Kam so smitam hiranya. So, okay. 807. So that the Padme Sitam, that will complete that mantra. We'll do that. Shall we do that? Padme Sitam Padmavarnam Tamyopahvaye Shriyam will complete that mantra. Shall we do that? One of you can do it. Then we can continue. Padme Stitam Padmavarnam Tamyopahvaye Shriyam. Padme Stitam Padmavarnam Tamyopahvaye Shriyam. Krishna, right?
Padme stitam padmavarna Padme stitam padmavarnam tamihopahvaye shriyam. Padme stitam padmavarnam tamihopahvaye shriyam.
Padmavarnan. Varnan only got it, I think, right?
No, I didn't. पद्मे स्थितां पद्मवर्णान्तामिहोपह्वये श्रियम्.
So all Padma will come because the lotus, she likes the lotus. all Hindu deities, many of them, all either they are in the lotus or they are holding a lotus. Padmanabha, even Padmanabha, Vishnu is Padmanabha. Padmi, one of the in the Vishnu Sahasranama, Padmi, right? Padmi is one holding the lotus. Padmi. Padmanabha, one who has the Padma lotus in his navel, and so Brahmaji comes from that in that lotus. Right? So navel, Nava is center, right? So Padma, because of it has a lot of importance, right? In our the lotus flower being in the mud, it is still the leaves are always untouched by the impurity, right? Okay, 8:10. Once shall we chant up to Shriyam? Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim Suvarnarajatasrajam Chandram Hiranmayi Lakshmi Jatavedo Maavaha Tam Maavaha Jatavedo Lakshmi Manabhagamini Yasyam Hiranyam Vindeyangam Purushanaham Ashvapurvam Rathamadhyam Hastinadha Prabodhini Shriyan Devi Mupahvaye Shrirma Devi Jushatam Kamsosmitam Hiranya Prakara Matranjalanti Truptan Tarpayanti Padmestitam Padmavarnantamihopahaye Shriyam. Okay. Maybe the whole thing will record and send it for Saturday. Questions, comments? We'll find.
So I missed last session. So did you go through it?
We did Ganapati Prardhana and then we revised, so you didn't miss much. So Ganapati, you Gananantva, do you must be knowing it. You know that?
Yes. I think so, yes. Is that what you did?
Yeah, Gananantva we did. In this session also we revised it again. So if you can see the recording, that will be fine. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Asato ma sadgamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma amrutangamaya. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om.
Thank you. Hari Om.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.